Welcome to my channel Auto Evolution. Picture this: you're dodging traffic in a pint-sized powerhouse that swallows weekend hauls like a black hole. Turbo spits to 60 in under 7 seconds and turns heads with Korean flair sharper than a K-pop idol. Welcome to 2026, where Kia flips the compact game with the all-new K4 Hatchback, your ride whisperer. And today we're gutting this beast who forged at Kia, the South Korean speed demons since 44. First launch Mexico August 7, 2025 for the hatch, but the K4 bloodline roared in the USA back in 24. Debut model the K4 sedan, birthing this hatch as its versatile twin. This ain't fluff, we're ripping into every body panel from grille fangs to tailgate jaws with secrets that'll make you rethink your garage gas or now. By video's end you'll crave one team hatch. Buckle up, the teardown starts now. Before we bolt into body bits, let's trace the veins of this compact conqueror, the Kia K4 Hatchback, hammered out by Kia Corporation. Yeah, those underdogs from South Korea who went from bicycle parts in 1944 to EV overlords today. Founded in Seoul by Kim Cheol-ho, Kia is now a Hyundai Group powerhouse, churning 3M plus cars yearly from plants in Hwaseong, South Korea and Novossibirsk, Czech Republic. But the K4, designed by Kia's Irvine, California studio under Kareem Habib, blending opposites, united philosophy. Bold edges meet smooth flows, tech meets toughness. Rewind to March 21, 2024. The K4 saga ignites with a teaser full unveil at the New York International Auto Show on the 27th. Why USA first? Kia's North American HQ in Irvine pushed for it. The sedan dropped in U.S./Canada dealerships August 2024, dethroning the ho-hum Forte/K3 after 14 years and 4M sales. The debut model, the 2025 K4 sedan, a 4-door fastback with 2.0L hard 147 horsepower punch starting at $21,000. It wasn't just a refresh, it was rebellion. A wider stance, vertical LEDs and dual 12.3 screens inside. Enter the hatch, born as the athletic sibling, debuting at 2025 NYA's first launch Mexico August 7, 2025 in GT line turbo glory. 1.6T 190 horsepower. Why Mexico? Kia's Pesqueria plant their builds for Americas, hitting 4,317 sales in 24 alone. Europe followed September 17, 2025, US late 2025 at $25K start. South Korea, they call it K4 too, but got the sedan first in 24 generations, just one so far. On Hyundai Kia K3 platform shared with Elantra, sales 33K plus in U.S. 24 IIHS top safety pick. This hatch 11 inches shorter than sedan, 185.4 total, same 107.1 wheelbase for agility. Your first compact crush commented, "Mine's a 90s Civic, we carved the carbon or steel skin." From sedan's sleek slope to hatch's practical punch, the K4 Hatchback isn't a copycat, it's the versatile villain built on the same K3 platform as its sedan sib, shared with Hyundai Elantra CN7 but with a shooting brake twist. Flatter roof adds one rear headroom, 38.4. 25mm more than sedan materials. High tensile steel, 70% for crash rigidity. Aluminum hood/doors for 2,800 pounds. Curb lightness, recycled plastics and bumpers. All Kia forged in Mexico/South Korea. Debut vibes, opposites united, aggressive creases hug, fluid lines, length 185.4, width 72.8, height 55.9. Compact but commanding cargo king, 22.2 cubic feet. Seats up ballooning to 59.3 folded versus sedan's 16.4. Why hatch? Kia spied Euro demand, think Golf but Korean kissed. First model tweaks hidden C-pillar handles for coupe-like sleuth, vertical LEDs echoing EV9 U.S. arrival late 2025 with FWD, only no AWDTs yet. Scalpel time. The K4 Hatchback shell is a 0.28 CD Aero masterpiece, blending urban utility with track T's high-strength steel body, HSS for 5-star safety, aluminum accents slashing 100 pounds versus rivals, assembled Mexico style for America's dive-in. Proud first tiger nose grille, hexagonal mesh and gloss black plastic/chrome. 3 tall active shutters for efficiency. Open 20% at cruise. Vertical LED headlights, slim housings with Ice Cube DRL signatures. Matrix tech for glare-free beams, adaptive corners. Hood aluminum alloy, sculpted character lines channeling air. Remote pop with struts. Bumper urethane composite lower air dam and body color. Fog lamps integrated 255mm ground clearance. Fenders steel flares over 17 to 18 alloys. 195/65 tires. Base aero vents. Cooling brakes. The SMA feeds the 2.0L 147 horsepower or 1.6T 190 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 7.4/6.9 cc. Doors 5 total. Aluminum front, steel rear, flush frameless glass, hidden handles and C-pillars. Keyless pop, mirrors, powerful body color housings, auto dim/heat blind spot LEDs. Roof floating panoramic glass, ultra-wide sunroof option. Shark fin antenna, D-pillar blackout for coupe illusion. Side skirts, black plastic rub strips accentuating 107.1 wheelbase. Rockers, brushed metal on GT line curb guards. Wheels 17 Steely's, base 18 alloys. GT gloss black pockets. Tailgate lift-up steel/CFRP hybrid power lift option hands-free kick sensor 22.2 cubic feet swallow taillights vertical LED towers animated sequences smoked lenses GT rear bumper diffuser look valence body color with reflectors no exhaust tips, hidden for clean, haunches muscled arches. 72.8 width stance, stable at 120 miles per hour spoiler lip style integrated downforce nudge. Under the hood? Base 2.0 LMPI, 147 HP/132 lb-ft, CVT, 34 miles per gallon comb. For commuters, GT Line Turbo 1.6 LTGD, 190 HP/195 lb-ft, aided, 29 miles per gallon. For thrill chasers. FWD grip, multi-link rear GT suspension, corners like a mini Stinger. Why hatch? 59.3 cubic feet versatility crushes sedan's 16 cubic feet. US pricing, $25,000 LX to $31,000 GT Turbo. Late 2025 drop, Mexico's first taste proved it. Fun plus function equals frenzy. Trim engine HP/TQ0-60 mpg comb price STLX 2.0 LMPI 147/1327.4 is $34.25 KGT Line Turbo 1.6 LTGDI 190/1956.9 is $29.31K. Your drive style? Turbo or tame? Vote below. From Seoul's blueprint to Mexico's streets, Kia's K4 Hatchback, first-gen 2026 model, evolves the compact Creed built tough in Korea, launched bold in Mexico with body armor that's equal parts beauty and brawn, vertical LEDs, iconic cargo cavern game changer at $25,000 at undercut Civic/Corolla hatches while outhauling M-flaws, no AWD at base engine snoozes, but for urban warriors 9/10. By a versatility vibes you links for pre-orders below. What's next? EV K4 sub for it. Sliced, diced and devoured, the K4's your compact crush. Thanks for the ride. Like if Kia's killing it, comment your dream trim, share with a car curious pal. Affiliates Kia test drives catch you on the flip. Peace drivers.